Glad to speak to you. This is Velayudham Ashwin from Chennai. Watch till end. To view our channel, just type in the Google Velayudham Ashwin. இந்த வீடியோவை தமிழில் பார்க்க கூகுளில் வேலாயுதம் அஸ்வின் என்று டைப் செய்யவும். Go to our channel playlist and find out topics. Telegram link I have given in the description column of this video. Join with us and grow rich. Bank action properties sale. Flat type. First floor. Flat number F2. Built up area 840 square feet. UDS 444 square feet. Mahalakshmi Nagar, Varadarajapuram, Sriberumbudur Taluka, Kanjipuram district. Flat type first floor. Flat number F2. Built up area 840 square feet. UDS 444 square feet. Mahalakshmi Nagar, Varadarajapuram, Sriberumbudur Taluk, Kanjipuram district. Bank has quoted the price rupees 21,80,000 only. Action date 20th September 2024. Time 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Key is with the bank. We arrange bank loan for this property. Contact Bank of Baroda Regional Office, Stressed Asset Recovery Branch, Chennai Rural Region 123, Mezzanine Floor, Dugar Towers, RL Road, Egmore, Chennai 6,08,000. Phone 044 2888 5428 044 2888 5428 or call me Velayudham Ashwin 8122414652. Dear friend, please click like of this video. Our videos will follow you. You will get benefited. To view my answers for your questions regarding banking, real estate, etc., click the below YouTube link or type the below website address in the Google velayudhamashwin.blogspot.com. velayudhamashwin.blogspot.com. My name is Velayudham 8122414652. Thank you very much. We can meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.